2014 Silverado, purchased in Houston. This is a flood truck. Next project up, the motor was blown, the block was cracked, so we're ordering a low mileage 5.3 from LKQ, and we're going to put a Whipple supercharger on it. Truck's pretty good shape, body's a little rough, decent tires, wheels, kind of what attracted me to it. Got a few issues. Mirror you can see is busted, some body damage here and there, front bumper looks like hell, but we're gonna make something out of it. 33,000 miles. Obviously the inside of it has been in a flood, so water doesn't appear to have gotten very high, but it got high enough to get in the motor, and some moron cranked on it and busted the block. So we're gonna fix that and make something out of this old rag. Stay tuned. Okay, alright, I have a fresh 5.3 showing 3 miles, so looks like we got a good one. Just getting it apart, and we're going to send it over to Fast Track Performance. Have a camshaft kit put in it, DOD delete, a couple other small things, and we can get this thing back and put the blower on it. Looks like a pretty good one. LKQ provided this thing. Came with a lot of accessories, may or may not be used, but overall I think we'll have this thing running in a couple of weeks, so stay tuned. Little update on the truck. Got the motor in it, got it running. It's got a big cam in it, so it's not running right without the proper tune-up. We're working on that. Got the body somewhat stripped down. All the stuff that comes off of it for paint is getting there. Putting a new bedside on the right because it's junk. Straightening the left side. Seems to be coming along. Motors, again, as you can see, got to get the proper stuff for it. I put a 2016 hood on it. We are converting the front end to a 2016 also, headlights, grill, bumper, and I will give you updates as they further happen.